Hello?
Winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s.
Oh my god!
Minnesota has activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal broadcasting. Now here is the hazard.